Alright, so this is a brief tutorial on how to get started with Discord. You go to, first things first, you go to discord.com. Simple website to remember, just the name of the app and then the .com. So I already have an account, but I'm going to show you how you would set one up. So first you're going to go to login, and it'll take you here. This is mine, just auto login, but you can go to register here, and then put in your account information, and it'll create an account. So when you're ready, I'm just going to click already have an account, just to go back to that login page. I'm going to sign in here, and it'll take me, this is my alternate account, so it'll take me to my server list. Alright, so I have the link to the server. This is the link that you have to join the server. You're going to go right here to add a server. And then you're not going to click create, you're going to click join, and then you're just going to paste that link right in there. Then you hit join, and it has added me to the Discord. A couple things you can know. You can change your nickname by right clicking, if you're on a computer, on your username. Change nickname, and then like Hayden's alternate account, save, and then now it's very easy to use. And now I have my nickname in the server changed. These are the channels on the side here. Generally just different channels will be used for different purposes. The voice channel you can join here by clicking on it, and you're in there. You can mute and unmute and everything, but just get into the voice channel like that. That's where we generally have our meetings. I'm going to disconnect from that. But yeah, this is the Game Club server where we talk. This is one of our playtests and everything. So yeah, very easy to use Discord. You may have to confirm your email, but that's very simple to do. And you can also join different servers, as well as not only this. If you go to Discover or Explore Public Servers, you can go all different. There's basically a Discord server for everything. Official, unofficial, ones for games, music, education, science, and technology. Say we go here, and you want to learn Python. That's just how you. It's if you want to learn Python or you want to have questions about Python, you can join that Discord server. There's everything. So yeah, that's basically Discord. A basic use of Discord. How to get signed up. If you have any questions, you can definitely ask me if you need anything. All right, that's about it. I hope to see you all at a meeting soon.